Alright, on this one here we got a no AC call. The breaker was tripped, and I heard the refrigerant moving through the lines, but no indoor fan was running. And we had a burnt smell throughout the apartment. So let's check the board here. Oh yeah, toast. That's what it is. Looks like we got a couple wires there to replace as well. But the relay went bad on the board and burned it up. So we'll get this all unhooked, get a new board installed, and see what wires we got to replace. Oh, there went the light. It looks like all our low voltage wires are good. Gonna have to replace the two small wires here going to the normally open and normally closed. And then our fan speed wires look like they're alright. See what they look like after I wipe them off. So I'm going to get these all unhooked. We'll see what we're dealing with. Alright, there's the board out. And you can see those wires definitely going to need replaced. Got two wires made up right here. And our fan speed wires, they're good. The red and the black right here. So I'm able to use those. No damage. So we'll get ready to wire up the new board and test it out. Also going to change the cap 7.5. Anytime I do a board, I always swap out the cap, especially if it's low. Okay, we got it all wired up. We got all our low voltage wires over here on the left, all our high voltage over here on the relay, and our spare fan speed back here on our park terminal, the M2. So now we just gotta set the board in place. Okay, we got our new board wired up, new cap, cleaned the insulation in here. So we'll get ready to throw the cover back on, see what it does. Alright, just turn the power back on, turn the thermostat to cooling. There we go, up and running. Hear the refrigerant moving, hear the fan motor. I just got to throw the screws back in the cover here. And this one's good. Alright, on this one here we got a GE side-by-side refrigerator, and our water dispenser is just trickling out. can see how it's barely a stream of water. That's going to be our water filter, which is going to be on the inside of the fresh food section in the back. Right here it is. The MWV, that's the part number of this water filter. And in order to remove it, you want to turn it a quarter turn and it will drop down. It's good to shut the water off just in case the manifold in here sticks and it allows the water to keep continuing to come out. But I'm going to grab the new filter, get it set up, and we'll get this one out. Alright, here's our new water filter. Now before we replace it, you want to fill this up with water on the inside. So we'll come over here to our sink. Doesn't take much. So we're going to turn this, drop it down. There's our old one. And you can see right here you got an arrow. You align that up with the front and give it a turn. There we go. Water's on. Now we'll test it out. And it should start sputtering out, get all the air out of the line, and then it should start filling up. You can hear all the air. Go ahead and empty that. And you just want to keep running this a few times until your water starts coming out with a nice stream and not sputtering. You just want to get all the air out of the line. That's it. Pretty simple fix. And make sure you reset your filter counter. Hold it in until the light goes out. Now your filter is reset. That's it on this one. Alright, on to the next one. Looks like we're going to have a bad photocell here on our garage. It's daylight and the lights are on. So we'll go shut the breaker off and replace the photocell. Alright, we're here at the breaker box. And looks like this is our lights. Shut it off. Yep, that's them. So we got the power off. Now we'll swap out the photocell. Alright, now we got the power off. We'll remove the old photocell. So this red here goes to our lights, which is this black right here. And this black right here going to the black on the photocell. That's our line, our power coming in. whites are neutral. Alright, now we'll remove the photocell. Okay, here's our new one. Alright, got it in place, it's all nice and tight. Now we'll wire it up. The white goes to your neutral. Okay, your black goes to your line, which is your power coming in, which is this one. And your red is the load, which is the lights. And it's this wire right here. Alright, turn the power back on, we'll test it out. Alright, got the power back on, and within a minute here our lights should go out. There they go. Alright, it's replacing a photocell. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.